The Prairie-Pothole regions are about the size of Washington, Oregon, and California stacked on top of each other. It expands into Canada as well, made up of many different parts and different climatic gradients and land use gradients. My name is Owen McKenna, and I'm a research ecologist at Northern Prairie Wildlife Research Center in Jamestown, North Dakota, but I also work with the Midwest Climate Adaptation Science Center in St. Paul, Minnesota. The wetlands in our neck of the woods that I've been studying for about 6 years are prairie-potholes, depressional wetlands on the landscape, and trying to understand how climate and land use change interact to impact the hydrology and the biology associated with these wetlands that are critical habitat for migratory water birds. Being in a place like the northern Great Plains in the upper Midwest and seeing this living laboratory of land use change and these coincidental climate change experiments of being in this wet period for the last 30 years and seeing how the landscape has responded in different ways makes it a really, really interesting scientifically, but also realizing that there's a lot of stakeholders at play and there's a lot of different entities that rely on the water, rely on the cultural resources, from NGOs to governmental natural resource managers, as well as the tribes that have trust lands and value these systems for maybe different reasons that physical and biological science hasn't been able to really get at. So I really appreciate moving outside my comfort zone and engaging with those communities as well and understanding how we can best serve them and best learn from them as we move forward.